Hey there, space explorers! Ready to dive into some mind-blowing facts about Venus, a literal diamond planet, and the most powerful explosions in the universe? Buckle up for a 5-minute journey that'll leave you in awe of our cosmic neighborhood. Let's start with Venus, our mysterious neighbor. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet because it's similar in size and structure, but trust me, they're nothing alike. You've heard this before. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, making its day longer than its 225-day year. So if you were standing on Venus, you'd experience a sunrise only once in your lifetime. But it gets crazier. Venus rotates in the opposite direction compared to most planets. That means if you could see the sun through its thick clouds, it would rise in the west and set in the east. Talk about an upside-down world. Here's a fact that blows many minds. Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the sun. Thanks to its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect, making its surface temperatures reach 475 degrees Celsius, 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. Oh, and those clouds I mentioned? They're made of sulfuric acid. If Venus wasn't already terrifying enough, it rains acid and has hurricane-force winds that whip across its surface at 360 kilometers per hour, 224 miles per hour. Definitely not a vacation spot. Next, we have 55 Cancri E, one of the most fascinating exoplanets discovered so far. It's about 40 light years away, and some scientists believe this super-Earth could have a core made largely of diamond. Yep, you heard that right. An entire planet that might glitter like a jewel. This planet is twice the size of Earth and has 8 times the mass, but its real claim to fame is the possibility of being rich in carbon. Under intense pressure, this carbon could have formed a solid diamond core. If you think diamonds are valuable on Earth, imagine a planet-sized diamond floating in space. But don't get too dazzled by the bling. 55 Cancri A is no paradise. The surface temperature is scorching, reaching around 2,400 degrees Celsius, 4,400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's way hotter than Venus. And because it's tidally locked, one side of the planet is always facing its star, while the other is in permanent darkness. Scientists believe that the day side of 55 Cancri A could be covered in rivers of lava, making it one of the most hostile places in the universe. So while it might look beautiful from a distance, living there would be like stepping into a furnace. Unlike Venus, where days last forever, a year on 55 Cancri is incredibly short, just 18 hours. This planet zips around its parent star at breakneck speed, completing one orbit in less than a day. Now let's talk about something even more mind-blowing, gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. These are the universe's most powerful explosions, and they're scarier than anything you can imagine. A single gamma-ray burst can release more energy in just a few seconds than our sun will emit over its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. That's the kind of cosmic explosion that could vaporize entire planets. If a gamma-ray burst were to hit Earth, it could strip away our atmosphere and cause mass extinction. Luckily, they're incredibly rare, and the chances of one hitting us directly are extremely low. But hey, it's always nice to know what's out there. There are 2 kinds of GRBs, short and long. Short bursts last less than 2 seconds and are thought to occur when 2 neutron stars collide. Long bursts, which last anywhere from 10 seconds to a few minutes, happen when massive stars collapse into black holes. Either way, they're cataclysmic events. After a gamma-ray burst, astronomers often detect an afterglow, a faint glow of radiation that can last for hours, days, or even weeks after the initial burst. This afterglow helps scientists study these powerful phenomena and understand how they shape galaxies. So there you have it. Venus, with its backward spin and hellish heat, 55 Cancri E, the possible diamond planet, and gamma-ray bursts, the most violent explosions in the universe. The cosmos is full of surprises that make you feel tiny, but also fill you with wonder. What was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments below, and if you love space as much as I do, hit that subscribe button for more cosmic content every week.